Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can add plus minus sign in Excel. If you want to show the plus minus symbols in a separate cells, for this you need to put the equal sign and type CHAR and open the bracket, type 177, close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is. Moreover, you can combine this with other text or the cell reference using the ampersand. For example, if you want to put the plus minus symbols with the cell A4, for this you need to put the equal sign and select the cell's reference, space, put the ampersand, space, and type char, open the bracket, 177, close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is. Moreover, if you want to insert a specific word with the plus minus symbol, so how you can do that? For this you need to put the equal sign and put the double quote, type, for example, tolerance, space, double quote, space, put the ampersand, space, type char, open the bracket, 177, close the bracket, space, ampersand, space, double quote, 5, for example, percent, and double quote, hit enter, and here it is. So you can see that if you are creating a visual presentations over worksheet rather than a data table, you can use the equation feature, which is very fast. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the symbol and click on the equations, and equation editor box will be open up. Put the backslash and type PM and hit the space bar. So you can see that you can resize it and you can move this plus minus symbol to anywhere. Moreover, there is another method that is called Windows symbol pane. For this you need to select your cell, or you can double click to type inside it, and then you need to press the window key plus semicolon key all together to open the Windows overlay emoji panel. Then you need to click on the symbol tab and click on this math symbol, and now here you need to find it. Here it is. You just need to select it and close it, and here it is. So with these way you can easily add plus minus sign in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.